Something mysterious is happening down on the farm with 5 little ducklings. One by one they're disappearing, but where are they going? Unravel the delightful riddle of the ducklings and discover the magic of numbers in a way you've never imagined. 5 little ducklings love to play over the hill and far away. Mama duck calls quack, 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 but not all ducklings make it back. 5 little ducklings splash and run, laughing, quacking in the sun. One swims off to chase a bee. Now there are 4 for us to see. 4 little ducklings waddle around, searching for seeds on the ground. One spots flowers bright and tall. Now there are 3, that's not all. 5 little ducklings love to play over the hill and far away. Mama duck calls quack, 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 but not all ducklings make it back. 3 little ducklings find a stream. It sparkles bright, a shining dream. One floats off, I'll race ahead. Now only 2 are left instead. 2 little ducklings play in the hay, hiding in barns the silly way. One gets sleepy, takes a nap. Now just one, imagine that. 1 little duckling all alone wanders far, where has it gone? Mama sighs, her heart goes thump, till all 5 jump from behind a stump. 5 little ducklings love to play over the hill and far away. Mama duck calls quack, 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 and all 5 ducklings come right back. Mama smiles, let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, my friends. Numbers dance, the farm feels bright, counting fun from day to night. Peppa Pig walks by the gate, learning to count, that's great. She helps the ducklings line in rows, counting fast from beak to toes. Ducklings giggle, hop in line, counting's easy, feeling fine. Let's count forward, then go back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, quack, quack. 5 little ducklings love to play, learning numbers every day. Count along, don't lose track. Math is fun when ducks come back. The sun goes down, the stars appear. Mama calls, my baby's near. All 5 ducklings snuggle tight, dreaming numbers through the night. In their dreams they count the sheep, hopping fences fast asleep. Each one whispers 1, 2, 3, till they rest so peacefully.